Hey guys, Colorado Camper Man Brian here. So I am at the land. It's another camping trip video at the land here. So we actually camped here last weekend. I'll put a link to that trip video, but I left the camper here and man, I'll tell you what, it is so nice to be able to leave the camper here and then just drive down. I make it here a lot quicker with just the truck, and it's great because there's no setup. You don't have to come here and set the camper up and do all that stuff. It's already here. So it's super sweet. And I've actually been here a while. I was doing some Camperman videos earlier today and then had some lunch, and now I'm going to be doing some work stuff. Renee and the little guy will be here in a bit, and then Terrence, Abby, Teo will be here tonight. But I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Narnia, which again is the area of our land where there's all these super tall trees and stuff, and I'm gonna get going on that zipline platform / tree stand. So I gotta get some air in our wheelbarrow tire and then get some tools loaded up and head over there. First things first, I gotta get rid of these stupid cactus around here. It's one of the reasons why we haven't camped over in Narnia. One, we'd have to cut down trees to get our vehicles in here, but then two, there is freaking cactus everywhere. Alright guys, well it's probably been like an hour and a half, 2 hours since I last filmed, and I haven't really done much of anything, but I'm going to abandon this tree. I've been climbing up some other ones, like here's one for example that I think I might do. My ladder's 16 feet and you can see how high up I am. This one, which I'm thinking about building on, I could build the platform probably about 17 feet up. So you can see so much more. You can see over a lot of these trees versus this one, you're only gonna be about 12 feet up. So even from a zip line perspective, 17 footer would be a lot better. Cause you know, when you're hanging on a zip line, there's gonna be a little bit of slack on the line. And then obviously you got the length of your body. So 12 feet sounds tall, but you know, you hang zip line, all that stuff, and it really is not that tall. Here's what we're having for dinner, some yummy chili, cornbread muffins. TJ's thinking he's gonna get some. He's with us, we guys all help him up harness. And there is the little guy eating some dinner too. Yummy. The moon is out already, you can see it in the upper left there. Sun is going down, coming up on 7 I think. That's cool, you can kind of see the sun shooting between the mountains. Just on the right side of that, the bigger one there. Whew. Man, definitely kind of hard working up here for sure. I actually brought the chainsaw up here, sitting on a couple nice branches, and I dropped this board so it could actually be wedged in this tree here, because I like that a lot better versus it being screwed in to the side of that branch. It just has a natural rest. And then I did the same thing over here. I actually dropped it down to here. Again, I'm not going to put the boards at this height. And then this side is not even with this board over here. So what I'm going to do is just, I have some extra 2x4s that I'm just going to rest up here and then try to make it as even as possible. It ain't going to be pretty, that's for sure. It is not going to be pretty at all, but I've never built a tree house or tree stand before, but I feel comfortable with these being wedged in these kind of natural V's. So weight-wise, I know it'll definitely be good. And if it's not perfectly level, I'm sure we'll be fine. We're planning on doing maybe like a railing or something, just like a safety kind of railing around. It's not gonna hold any weight, but it would at least be a safety railing just to make sure you don't fall off. Good old breakfast burritos. Got a nice little area here in the shade. It's maybe 10-ish. You gonna hunt cactus? Yeah. They're ready to go hunt cactus. Fresh battery, 5-gallon bucket, shovel. They are ready to go. Okay, go. George, go, go, go. Hit reverse. Go, Tail, go, go, go. There you go, yay! Just out for a little drive, checking out some of the country around here. Super pretty. Super pretty creek. Got back from doing some scouting. Just having some spaghetti now. Just having some spaghetti. Dogs are trying to eat it too. TJ. Good morning, buddy. It's like 6:30. Slept in a little bit, which is nice. It's 44 outside. It's like in the mid 50s at night in here. We did not run the heat and we slept awesome. We just turned it on this morning. We just turned it on for the first time. It's super pretty outside. right, guys, well, we are done, at least for now. Still need to do that back section there, but I ran out of lumber that's large enough. Those couple pieces were from the scrap pile of pallet wood. But got a little bit of a railing here, just from a real straight limb that we had on the property. And then over here I got a 2x4. This one I did screw in, put either of those pieces from the pallets and put them straight down and screw them into the floor. So then there's a railing, or we might just put some limbs. And pretty sweet view from up here. Definitely see a lot for sure. All right, guys, well, that does it here from the land. So if you guys enjoyed it, throw a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.